It's a new video and series on how to build better emails in Figma. Today, let's build this block with 2 columns and export it as HTML email template in Figma. So let's go to the Figma. So it's a real email from a brand called Seed. I imported this email into the Figma. As we can see that this email is built only with images. It's in images. But today I will show how to create this block not as image but as a real HTML code and how to make it mobile, how to make it works on mobile, and how to export this with Markup Melody on your Figma plugin. So let's start building this block. First, let's create this segment with the icon to the left and text on the right. Our first goal is to create this section. So let's select text and icon, then click on this icon. Figma wraps into auto layout frame. So next, let's get fill from original email. Let's set some spacing and padding. The next step is to apply corner radius and add stroke. To add stroke, and simply click this plus icon, use this tool, and get a border color. So now we have this block. Let's duplicate it and update text and icons. The easiest way to update an image, you can simply select an image, then on the right sidebar click select image here, Command C, Command V, and now this image added as a second fill layer. So now we have all these 3 blocks. So let's create a column from this block, select all of them, click on this icon. Figma wraps into horizontal auto layout frame. Now let's apply some auto layout settings, and we need these segments to be the same width. To do so, let's select all of them inside and apply fill container. Now all the segments have the same width. So let's change gap and create 2 columns. So it's simply an image. Let's select our column and image, then click on this icon, use auto layout. Now Figma wraps into a new container. So let's update gap and spacing. Set fill container for all children. And now let's add a header section. It's simply 2 text blocks. Let's wrap it in a separate container. And combine all together into a new outlet frame. Create a new outlet frame as a wrapper to add a lighter background color. So let's create a new frame, get color from original frame, apply auto layout, and add it here. And as the next step, let's set fill container to make it resizable. Container and fill container 2 for all options. Next step, let's update some padding and space between. So let's see how it works as HTML email template. To preview it as HTML email template, run the Markup plugin. You can find this plugin in the description or in the Figma community. So select the frame, click on the preview. So it works well, but as we can see, column not works. So to make it works, you can simply select a parent container. You can do it in the plugin preview or on the Figma canvas. Then on the plugin, click on the properties section and use this option called mobile stack. When this option is enabled, columns works like so on mobile. So the left column goes on the top and the right column goes on the bottom. And now as you can see that it is a real HTML code, not an image, and it will work perfectly well. To export, you can simply click on the export tab, download HTML, send test email, or export to any platform such as MailChimp and so on. So thank you for watching. This is how you can build better emails.